Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick Google Sites guide, I'm going to show you how to delete or basically remove the footer section from your site. Yeah, a lot of people miss where that option actually lives. So let's walk through it the easy way. So first thing, open the Google site you want to edit. If you already have it open, perfect. If not, just pick it from your list, right on the dashboard. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom of your page. The footer is that big block that sits under everything, and Google adds it automatically, so yeah, it's always there until you remove it. Once you're at the footer, look for the little section label that says Footer. Sometimes it shows a small border when you hover over it. That's the container we're going to turn off. Next, glance over to the right side panel. You'll see a bunch of toggles there. One of them is the footer toggle, which basically controls whether the footer shows up at all. Okay, now just switch off the footer toggle. The moment you do that, the whole footer section disappears from every page on your site. It's not hidden, it's completely turned off. Before you publish, go ahead and preview the site just to make sure everything looks clean. You know, just a quick check. And once it looks good, hit publish. Your updated site will go live without that footer section at the bottom. And that's it. Super simple. Your Google site now has no footer at all. If you found this helpful, feel free to subscribe for more step-by-step guides. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.